Hi everyone, it's Katie's Craft here again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute little DIY mini notebook.
God, that was a big mouthful.
Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #CraftificationSquad for a shout out in my next video. The Crafter of the Week goes to this person on the screen. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Well, anyway, let's get right on with the video. Whoop! So what you want to do is get a little notebook and then cut out like whatever shape you want for a notebook. Then you want to get a stapler and then staple it together.
The struggles of being weak.
Then take a piece of cardboard and cut out whatever shape you have on your notebook. You should probably leave a bit of space for the spine of your notebook. Look at me getting all fancy with words. Did I just snort there? Oh God. Then you can take whatever you like to decorate the front cover of your notebook. I chose to use some card, and you can also use some decorative tape or like glitter glue or something, or just draw on it. Then you just have to fold along where the spine is. Then I'm just organizing everything up again, like cutting everything into the right sizes and all. So then I'm just taking some decoupage glue and I'm just gonna glue everything in place and all. Then I'm just gluing the actual notebook into its cover. So here's a little collection of mini notebooks that I own and that I have made. I have quite a lot of them. I got quite obsessed. So I made a silver one. I made an owl one. Yes, I'm very proud of myself for doing this. You're probably thinking it's very bad, but I like it, so don't hate. Also made a sparkly gold one. Made one with the same paper that we used today. I also made one with some nice blue tape. And lastly, I made a holographic one with holographic tape, and it's probably my favorite of them all. I also heard somewhere that if you follow the instructions that are in a book, then your biggest wish will come true. Yeah, so follow the instructions in these little notebooks. Oh. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and as usual, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification_Squad. And if you do that, then I might pick you for Crafter of the Week, who gets a shout out in my next video. God, this is getting confusing. Bye bye. I'm such an idiot. Wait, am I recording?